Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make your Basecamp go into dark mode? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to have dark mode in your Basecamp anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're working at a coffee shop, and sometimes the people around you are kind of nosy, so maybe you want to put it in dark so it's a little more difficult for them to see your screen. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go into dark mode, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Preferences. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this various menu, and here in the middle, you want to look for Appearances. You can see it's the same as my computer right here. However, if you want to go into dark mode, always click right here in the middle, and you can see it changes immediately, and then you'll want to go ahead and click on Save, this green button here at the bottom. Okay, now anytime that I log into Basecamp, my Basecamp will be in dark mode no matter what my computer settings are. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get dark mode in your Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.